Okay guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Pompeii by Bastille. It's a nice easy one, super easy in terms of the chords, literally just 4 chords repeat the whole way through. Capo needs to be on fret number 2, so grab your capos for this one. Let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, this one's literally just 4 chords that repeat the whole way through. Capo does need to be on fret number 2 for this one to play in the original key. First chord we need is a C chord, so that is 2nd string up from the bottom, number 1. 3rd one down from the top, fret number 2, and string above that, fret number 3. And we're going to strum all the strings except the low E string. Again, if you catch that one by accident, we can pop the thumb over the top to mute that one. Just means we can get away with strumming all the strings. So chord number 1 is a C. Next one we've got is G. That's 2nd string down from the top, fret number 2, top string, fret 3, and bottom string number 3. And we strum all the strings. We then have an E minor, that's 2nd string down from the top, number 2, string underneath, number 2, strum all the strings. And then the next one is a D, that's 3rd one up from the bottom, 2, bottom string 2, middle string, fret 3, and strum the bottom 4 strings. So that's our D chord. So that's our 4 chords, guys. Let's just run through them again. So we've got C, then we have a G, then we have an E minor, and we have a D. And the chord order just literally repeats that the entire way through the song. Cool, so if you got them chords down, let's move on to the next bit. Okay guys, as just mentioned, there's only 4 chords, which are C, G, E minor, and D, and they literally just repeat that throughout the song in that same order. We're gonna move on to the strumming pattern now. So let's get that first chord, C. Now, the strumming pattern we want is down, down, up, up, down. And we're going to do that on every chord. Same for the G. Down, down, up, down. Same on the E minor. Same on the D. So let's go through them in a oneer. G, E minor, and D. Yeah, cool. So it literally just repeats that the whole way through. So we've got C, G, E minor, and D with that same strumming pattern. So again, that was a bit quicker, was down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. The only thing to note is when it goes to the chorus, there's like a little pause on the first few words of the chorus. So I think they sing when you close your eyes, we come back in on the C over that word. There's a little gap there, but apart from that, it literally just repeats that the entire way through the song with no gaps. Hey guys, so that's the end of today's lesson on Pompeii by Bastille. If you've enjoyed today's lesson, please do smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you again in the next one.